Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to go live on your desktop on TikTok without 1,000 followers using Streamlabs either on Windows or Mac computer. That's right guys, Mac computer. Alright, so first thing you need to do, you do need to have a TikTok account that's more than 30 days older, so it can be less than 30 days. You have, because I tried it and it did not work. All right, first thing you want to do is you want to go to the Streamlab. There's a link on Streamlab where you can actually fill out the application to Streamlabs, which connected to your TikTok account. So here I am right here. There's a little link right here in the middle of it. Click here for application. Alright, so what you want to do is apply right here. Apply access to go live on PC or Mac. You can use it on Mac. Alright, so for the application, all you gotta do is submit a channel other than your TikTok. So if you have a Twitch, a YouTube, a Kick, Meta, Instagram, or other, I don't know what other are, you put the link right there, and then it'll say what is the average concurrent viewer count for your channel. I've tried it with 2 different accounts. They both work. I just put 400 plus, and then it's gonna ask you to screenshot that confirm you are the account holder. So on this one particular one, what you want to do is let's just, for example, I'm gonna put my YouTube. So you just want to screenshot your channel dashboard on your on YouTube right here, like what you see right here, and then that's what you want to send to right here, and then you just submit it. Now the first time I did it, it took less than 30 minutes for them to give me access to TikTok live. So it shouldn't take that long. It should be pretty fast. So as soon as you're done with this, you want to go ahead and download Streamlabs. So I'm using Mac. Let me just see here. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me see Streamlabs. Now I've already have it set up. I'll show you guys the setup right now. Again, you don't need 1,000 followers. Yeah, you just need an age account. That's all. All right. So as you can see, this is Streamlab. Now I've already have it set up on the dashboard for multi-stream. I have TikTok and Twitch. So whenever I stream something, it both stream to TikTok and Twitch. As you can see, I have a vertical output for TikTok, and I have a horizontal output for Twitch. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's that easy. You can use your Mac to go live on TikTok. Now, the only thing that you can't do with this is that you can't go on your phone and just go live on your phone. You can't do it. You have to go through Streamlab to go live on your phone. Now, if you're doing a lot of gaming or even just chatting, it's pretty nice, and you just want to sit in front of your computer, which is pretty cool. So that's what I've been doing lately. Anyways, guys, hopefully this helps out. Again, I'll leave the link below for the link to fill out the application for TikTok live. All right, well, see you guys later.